Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to screen record with OBS Player. I currently have version 27.2.4 for Mac, but this can work on any version. Just follow these simple steps and you'll know how to record with OBS. So first, open the application. As you guys see, I have the application open right here. You're just going to want to go down to settings. All right, after you click settings, it'll open this menu and you'll see a little nav bar on the side. You're going to want to go to general, make sure your language is in English. Since this is how to screen record, you guys do not have to worry about the stream tab at all. So we'll just go straight to output, and this is where this gets really important that you follow the instructions and the steps here. So you want your output mode to be simple. You can do it advanced, but I recommend simple for the quality of the output. In addition, you also want to use your software encoder unless you have hardware, but since I'm doing this on a laptop, I only have software, so make sure that says software. And then right here, the recording path is exactly where the file is going to save. I'm going to have it save to my desktop just because I prefer it to be there. So you guys can really set this wherever you want. It really just comes down to preference. And then right here, you have the options for recording quality, recording format, and the encoder that you want to reuse. I normally do high quality, medium file size with the recording format MP4. So just make sure that you set that up perfectly. And then in addition, I have my encoder set to software times 264, and that should be perfect. And then you guys, in order to add microphones, you just go right over here to the audio tab. And as you can see, this in red, I do not currently have a device hooked up, so I'm just going to have it set as my MacBook Pro microphone. However, if you don't want to use your computer microphone, you can easily hook up your microphone to your computer and just select that from this menu right here. After setting your audio settings and making sure that your microphone is hooked up, you'll want to go over to the video tab. Right here, guys, in the video settings, you have your monitor size and recording quality of that. I'm just going to leave these settings because this is my monitor size, but it would be helpful for you guys to look up what the monitor size, and then all you have to do to adjust that is just open this up and select from here. So I'm going to leave this just as it is. And another thing is right here with your frames per second, you're going to want to leave that around 60. 30 will work if you need to turn it down for computer functioning. But if you have the computer power to do 60 frames per second, you should do it because that's the cleanest looking audio. And then you can go down to advanced, and normally I just leave this exactly how it is. You don't have to worry anything about this. And then you can just click OK here in the bottom. We have the screen right here. Now all we have to do to start recording is click the start recording button. We are recording down here in the bottom, and then if I want to stop recording, I just hit stop recording right there. It has stopped recording and it has saved to the desktop. So if I just lower that right there, we should see our file, and right here it is. This is our desktop file, just recorded to the desktop, and it looks perfect. Thank you guys for watching. That is how to record in OBS Studio. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.